Okay, let us solve a simple problem. Let me put a hash symbol here. It means a comment. It means a question. I'm going to write the question. So we're going to solve a simple problem. Enter the marks of three subjects SUBJECTS and find the sum and average. AVERAGE. Find the sum and average. So question is that you have to enter marks of three subjects and you have to find out their sum and average. Okay, let me try it out. Here we can write, uh, first of all, first marks we are taking from maths. For maths, I'm writing A main PHS. Maths equal to. So, what will be the marks of the math? It could be integer, it could be float. You can take either whatever you want. I'm writing here integer. Integer. That means for the marks of math, you have to enter only a integer number, only a whole number. INT, INPUT. Input. Within quotation, we will going to write enter the mark, MARK, isn't it? MARKS, marks of math. Okay. Then leave some spaces. Then let me end the quotation. Then I have to close the double bracket because I have opened the bracket here. I have opened another bracket here. So both the bracket has to be closed. Now let me press enter. Let me press enter. Enter the marks of maths. Let me write it 25. Okay. Maybe your examination is counted within 25. So maximum number of your subject is 25. Then physics, PHY. You can write either physics in full. You can write PHY. You can write P. No problem because this is the name of the variable. So instead of writing physics in full, you can write PHY, you can write P, or you can write physics in full, no problem, because this is the name of the variable. INT, then input, INPUT, input. What we will do, we will going to write another way, ENTER, enter the marks of physics, PHYSICS. Okay, done. Then it will ask for the physics marks. Enter the mark of the physics is come. Just you mention the marks. It may be 24. Okay. Now the time is for chemistry. CHEM. Chemistry. You can write here INT, input, input. Enter the marks of chemistry. ENTER. Enter the marks of chemistry. CHEMTRY. Enter the marks of chemistry. So again, we have to close the bracket. We have to close the bracket along with this quotation. So when you press enter, it will ask you again, enter the marks of chemistry right here, maybe 23. Okay. Now I'm taking only three subjects. Now what we will do, we will just calculate the total of three subjects. Okay, TOT. We can write like this way, TOTAL, total, or you can write T, whatever you want. Total equals to PHY, that means the marks of physics,